coffee maker siya. So, pakita ko sa'yo paano siya nag-work. So, first, we have to pre-wet. Why we should pre-wet the equipment? Para ma-maintain yung temperature niya. Tapos, hindi rin mabigla si coffee beans. Level 8. So, make sure lang na hindi basa. So, this side, the funnel, the lid, and also the flame. So, once it's boiling na, kailangan natin siyang ibaba. Medyo matagal na siya ng konti. Kasi need natin siya mag-boil bago natin ibaba yung funnel. For the first lesson, this is personal background. Can you state your name? My name is Jem Martin. Age is 24 years old. Yung years of experience, ilang years? As a barista, my experience almost 3 years. 3 years as a barista. For our second question, can you state your favorite thing about being a barista? Being a barista, my favorite thing is making food for the guests. Kasi bilang barista, masaya makita yung guests or customer na na-enjoy na yung coffee na nito. Purpose niya is to mix the coffee and water. So, di naman siya boil. Hindi lang natin siya ng ganan. Hindi siya kailangan boil na po. Kasi para di rin maapektuhan yung lasa ng coffee. Hindi siya ma-burn. Yeah.
Top 3 must have quality of being a barista.
Quality of being a barista.
Yes.
First, kailangan responsible ka talaga.
Responsible.
Yeah. Wait lang, nawala ako. Tapos yung, pagiging knowledgeable. The third is must have a leadership. Kasi, pwede to, ilang naman ako yung barista, madami ka. So, as a senior, kailangan mo mag-stand out. Kailangan mo sila mag-stand. May knowledge ka na, so kailangan mo rin ipas yung mga knowledge na.
And for the next question, what is your most unforgettable moment as a barista?
As a barista, joining the competition, which is the latte art road. That's the most unforgettable moment.
In your barista life?
Yeah, in my barista life. That's my first competition.
And next, tips for aspiring future barista lessons.
Aspiring, okay. Fail kayo sa coffee. So, yung coffee, mas okay kung kayo mismo lang. Mas ma-appreciate nyo siya. Tsaka, kung gusto nyo talaga maging barista, mas malawak kayo matutunan mag-aral. ano din siya, nakaka-enjoy din. Hindi lang siya yung basta black, hindi siya yung basta may milk lang, it's cream, hindi lang siya basta salted caramel, hindi siya basta caramel macchiato, marami. Marami kayo. May mga
And for our last question, what's your favorite drink?
favorite drink. Can I at least give
Okay, sure.
white chocolate?
White chocolate.
Yeah. One of my favorite. Then, sa black, siguro, sa black kasi gusto ko, pour over. Yeah, pour over na black. Then, sa, ano naman, yung, wala lang, light lang talaga. Kasi yung pang-day, siguro, ano lang, latte. No, or,
Is it hot or ice?
kahit ano.
Kahit ano.
Basta, latte.
That's all our questions.
Ay, sure. Saan yung gusto?